Do we really understand where our food comes from? I'd be willing to bet that at some point we had had chips, cereal, milk, or even ice cream. Hey guys, I'm Jake Ewan, and I'm here to tell you all about GMOs and why they are safe. GMOs are products that have altered genes for specific reasons. Most people believe that GMOs are the leading cause of cancer and or other health concerns, but GMOs have been around for many years and help produce a larger quantity of food compared to organic foods. The reason behind this is because we use GMOs to prevent insects and other pests by not spraying. And the way we do this is by GMOs, and GMOs have genes that have been altered that prevent insects and pests from growing on our crops and feeding on them, which destroys the crop and the overall quality. The overall quality is important because we see the advantages of using GMOs as that we do not lose crops, whereas organic farms are looking at crop loss and other expenses. So in a study, corn is the leading crop produced in the U.S., which is quite simple to figure out, as soils just about everywhere in the U.S. can grow corn just as well as other areas. According to the National Center for Food and Ag Policy, 85% of that is GMOs. This corn is produced with GMOs. People, we need to understand why we're using GMOs. Now, I'm going to tell you why. GMOs reduce the use of chemicals because insects die from eating the product compared to spraying for it. It's a pretty simple process. An insect or a plant or pest comes on our crops, and then instead of spraying for them and putting extra work throughout the field, they simply just eat on the leaves and then they die. It's a quite simple process. So, they help produce mass quantities of food with a longer shelf life. Reason for this is because organic foods do not use chemicals, and that just helps produce larger quantities of food, because when we lose crops and crop quality through organic farming without use of spraying chemicals or anything else, we tend to lose a lot of stuff, and that would be very big downfall. So, why are chemicals / GMOs safe or unsafe? They're safe because they help create new products, and they're environmentally friendly because we're not spraying chemicals throughout the air. We look at a topic such as drift. Drift is when we spray chemicals and they tend to get caught in the air and fly to different areas. They can go with the airflow and cover big different areas of ground, and that can lead to many different problems, which is a terrible thing for farmers. They're unsafe. According to the U.S. National Library of Meds, humanly disease related to chemicals is caused by the improper mixing of chemicals. This is a farmer-related issue, so we don't need to worry about that as much. Now, to wrap things up, we know why GMOs are around. We know how they help produce crops and why we use them. And now, just go out there, be safe, and enjoy your food.